large volumes of data, the company is able to identify trends, understand customer behavior, and make informed decisions. This data intelligence is invaluable, as it not only helps in strategic planning, but also in responding to market changes swiftly. Let's not forget about the AI-powered features that are redefining the customer experience. Predictive maintenance, for instance, uses AI to predict when a vehicle might need maintenance. This helps avoid any unexpected breakdowns and ensures that customers always get a reliable ride. Then there's the personalized recommendations. Based on a customer's past bookings and preferences, AI can recommend the most suitable car models, routes, and even travel times. It's like having a personal travel assistant that knows exactly what you want. The impact of AI on this company's operations is clear, but what does this mean for the car rental industry as a whole? Well, it means a shift towards more efficient, customer-centric services. It means a future where car rentals are not just about cars, but about providing a seamless, personalized experience. It means a revolution in the way we think about car rentals. The influence of AI on the car rental industry is profound and far-reaching. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing this sector, streamlining operations and enhancing the customer experience in ways we could only dream of a decade ago. It's paving the way for cost reduction by optimizing fleet management and automating routine tasks. AI is also enabling companies to make data-driven decisions. With the power to analyze massive amounts of data, companies can now predict demand, manage pricing dynamically, and offer personalized services to their customers. But the impact of AI goes beyond operations and cost saving. It's transforming the very essence of car rentals. AI is not just a trend that will fade away. No, it's the future, shaping a new era where renting a car is not just a transaction, but an experience. With AI, the future of car rentals is not just about renting a car, it's about experiencing a whole new level of service. The future indeed seems exciting.